Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Next, securely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and support it with sturdy jack stands. This ensures a safe working environment underneath. Have your basic hand tools ready, including various wrenches and a ratchet set, to make the process smoother. Now let's find the starter. It's usually situated on the passenger side, mounted to the transmission bell housing. Once located, carefully disconnect the main power cable, often a thick wire, and the smaller solenoid wire. You might need to remove a few bolts or clips. Sometimes, a heat shield or bracket might be in the way. Remove these to gain clear access. With the wires disconnected, proceed to unbolt the starter from its mounting points. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. Once loose, carefully maneuver the old starter out of its tight spot. It can be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Now, position your new starter into place, ensuring it aligns correctly, and then secure it tightly with the mounting bolts. Almost done, reconnect the main power cable and the solenoid wire to your new starter, ensuring all connections are snug and secure. Double-check everything. Once that's complete, carefully lower your vehicle back to the ground. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable. Now, try starting your engine to confirm the new starter is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.